Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I will try to show you how good or how bad Tesla's service is. Finally, my 2021 Tesla Model 3 long-range here reached 6,000 miles, which recommended by Tesla to get tire rotation. So I put in a service request via Tesla app last week on Thursday, which is a week from today. It's really easy if you guys haven't tried it. So just go to Tesla app, click down to service, and then you can pick what kind of service you want and you submit it. And they will come back with how much it will cost or when it will be available for you, what day, and you can choose the day and the time. I got a Tesla mobile service, so they will come to my house, which is today, Thursday. And normally you could just leave your car in front of your house, and then if you're not home, you just lock your car and they will come in and they will have access to your car and do whatever service they need to be done at your location or even at work. So I purchased and installed the Rimetrix orbital wheel covers on my car. I assume that they're gonna have me remove it when they come here, so I will just remove it now before they get here. Okay, to remove the wheel cover is really easy. I'm using this plastic bicycle tire removal. So just remove the center cap first. So I've been having this on about 4 months now. Let's see what it looks like inside. And if you guys interested in getting one of these, I'll put the link down below. And I also did the video when I got these and how to put these on. There we go. As you can see, there's the foam cushions underneath it, which it's kind of ripped right now. They're all ripped apart. Rimetrix actually sent me the extra one because I told them that these came out when I removed one of the cover. So they really they're kind enough to send me the extra one with no cost. So that's really easy to remove. Let's remove the rest of it. Okay, so the last one came out. Looks like it left scratches on the edge of the rims. As you can see here, there. See, these wheels was never left open with no covers, so it has been covered with wheel covers since we got the car. And look, all the dust has been collected because every time we wash the car, you can't really wash right here. It's covered on the inside, right there, right here. So I think now this is my opportunity to wash the inside of the wheel, finally. So all 4 wheel covers has been removed. Since he's gonna be here, I'm gonna ask him and see if he could do anything with these. You can see here, it's like a bubble out. It should be all flat like the rest of the rubber trim on the inside of the window. This part is bubble out. Actually, it's the same on this side too, right there. We asked him if he could do anything with that. So the Tesla service is here with the really cool Model X. Let's check it out. That's probably the coolest service car I have never seen. Nice Model X. underneath of the Model 3. So if you have this kind,
Yeah.
with the pad right here,
Yeah.
you don't need adapter.
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. So you put where the hole is, huh? That's the hole in the front. That's it. The Tesla technician was gone and the service was great. Everything happened so quickly. Any questions I had to him, he answered everything. And he's really friendly, really nice. Probably the best service for car dealers I have had. Because the rest you have to drop off. Most likely it's a hour, 2 hours wait just to do a little things. But here with Tesla, my experience it's really good because it's really convenient. You don't have to go anywhere. You just stay home, wait for them to come, and then we'll do the service for you. If you're not like me, staying home, working from home, you can just park your car outside at work and have enough space for them to come in and fix your car. You don't have to be there for them in order to be able to service your car. So that's the reason why I use Tesla service. So the tire rotation costs $50. I don't think it's that crazy expensive, and it's convenient to me. Overall service is really good. Hopefully this helps some of you. Some of you curious about how is Tesla service, because I've seen a lot of bad feedback, bad complaints about Tesla have the worst service ever. As of my experience, they have a really great service. One more thing, he kind of helped me with this issue right here. So he told me to tuck it in and leave it like that for a while. So the rubber will change the form by itself. Hopefully that fix. Thanks again for watching. Click like if you like the video and subscribe for the future content. See you in the next video.